Welcome back. Rape accused Tarun Tejpal has filed his bail petition before the trial court at Panaji. The court is likely to hear his plea on 26 December. Meanwhile, judicial remand of Tarun Tejpal has been extended by 12 more days. After spending 12 days in jail, former Tehelka editor-in-chief Tarun Tejpal came out of Sada jail on Monday. He was produced before JMFC court at Panaji, where the court extended his judicial remand by 12 more days. Meanwhile, Tejpal's counsel said that they have filed a bail petition and will likely be heard on Thursday.
We have already applied, but in that connection I will not want to say anything just now. उनकी आज जो judicial custody थी उसका आज remand extension हुआ है for another 12 days and he will be produced now on 4th of January.
Tarun Tejpal is kept in the cell with other 6 inmates in Sada sub-jail. When the court asked Tarun Tejpal whether he is facing any type of harassment in jail, he said no. Tulsidas Chari, Dishant Parab and Mukesh Kumar for Prudent. New president of GPCC, John Fernandez, has dropped a bombshell. He said Congress High Command is in process of changing the opposition leader. He also made it clear that the doors of Congress are wide open for all those who left it earlier, including the BJP MLA Vishnu Wagh. John spoke in Prudent's counterpoint.
Personal differences, egos should be set aside. Party is above everything. I don't feel party is in mess. Party, there was no guidance. Party is well organized.
Seen openly Babush Manzarat saying that I don't trust Pratap Singh Rane. I want to change leader for position. Doesn't it indicate?
ये नाव तुम्ही घातलं ते ये काँग्रेसमॅन नाही हे लोक बायले आयले.
He post whether to change Rane.
That issue is addressed by the High Command because they have represented to High Command. This is Mr. Vishnu Wagh was our General Secretary. If he applies for membership, we will consider. If you say I was a General Secretary, I am not happy in BJP, I am being beaten and stoned, my life is in danger, I want to join your party.
Three bungalows were looted at Tamsule Khandola on Sunday night. Gold worth 6 lakh was looted from one bungalow. 5,000 rupees cash from another and furniture and cupboards were destroyed from the third bungalow. Police suspect a group of non-Goans staying in the locality behind the robbery. 3 bungalows were looted at Khandola by some miscreants on Sunday midnight. Here is the first bungalow. Robbers decamped with gold worth 6 lakh rupees by breaking open the cupboard from Sushant Sullikar's bungalow. This is the second bungalow. Owner Ashok Naik resides in Mumbai and frequents in Goa. Robbers on the same night attacked and fled with the cash of 5,000. The robbers broke open the cupboard and found only the cash. This is the third one. Pratap Naik from Vasco owns this bungalow. Robbers did not get any valuables, neither cash nor gold, as the bungalow has been newly constructed. However, the robbers destroyed the furniture and broke open the cupboard. Police and dog squad was called in to find clue. As per the investigation, the robbers had refreshment in a nearby restaurant. But police found no clue. The investigation is on.
Last about 6 लाखाचे बांगर गेल्याचे कळ्ळां. तितून बागराचे वस्तू सगळे गेले.
Till Monday late night, there was no clue about the robbers. Nobody has been detained nor arrested as yet. Reporter Vivek Prabhu for Prudent. Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.